What if I told you there's a secret code, one that has been hiding in plain sight, waiting for someone curious enough to uncover its meaning? A hidden language that doesn't just communicate, but transforms. A language that bridges the gap between the abstract and the tangible, the known and the unknown. It's not a complex algorithm or a classified document locked away in a vault. It's not something you need advanced tools or years of training to decipher. It's simpler than that, yet infinitely more profound. It's a concept that resonates with the very fabric of existence, a thread that weaves through the universe itself. This code is 314.159 GCV. At first glance it might seem like just a number, a sequence of digits with no apparent significance. But what if I told you that understanding this number could unlock a new way of thinking? That it could inspire you to see patterns where others see chaos, to find clarity in complexity. This number holds the potential to change the way you see the world. It's not just about mathematics or science, it's about perspective, about seeing the extraordinary in the ordinary. It's about realizing that sometimes, the simplest ideas can have the most profound impact. So what will you do with this knowledge? Will you let it pass you by, or will you embrace the enigma of $314.159 GCV and let it guide you toward new horizons? The choice is yours, and the journey begins now. Let's break it down. Mathematics is often seen as a language of logic, a tool for solving problems, but it's also a way to uncover the hidden patterns of the universe. It's a bridge between the abstract and the tangible, a way to make sense of the chaos around us. The GCV stands for Global Constant Value. It's not just a term, it's a concept that embodies the idea of universality. It suggests that there are constants, unchanging truths that bind us all together no matter where we are on this planet. This hints at something universal, something that transcends borders and disciplines. It's a reminder that while we may come from different backgrounds, there are shared principles that connect us all. These principles are the foundation of collaboration, innovation, and understanding.
And then, there's the number itself, 314.159. Recognize it? It's a number that has fascinated mathematicians, scientists, and thinkers for centuries. It's more than just a sequence of digits. It's a gateway to understanding the very fabric of reality. It's the first 6 digits of pi, that mathematical constant we all encountered in school. But pi is more than a classroom lesson. It's a symbol of precision, a tool that helps us measure and understand the world in ways that are both practical and profound. Pi represents the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter. This simple relationship has profound implications, appearing in everything from the orbits of planets to the rhythms of music. It's a constant that reminds us of the elegance and order hidden within the universe.
But it's much more than just a geometry lesson. It's a doorway to understanding the infinite, a concept that challenges our perceptions and expands our horizons. It's a reminder that learning is not confined to the classroom. It's a lifelong journey. It's a symbol of the infinite, a representation of the boundless possibilities that lie before us. It's a call to look beyond the surface, to seek out the deeper truths that shape our existence. A reminder that there's always more to discover, more to explore. Whether it's the mysteries of the cosmos or the intricacies of the human mind, the journey of discovery is endless, and in that journey we find meaning, connection, and inspiration. The story of pi is as old as civilization itself.
Ancient civilizations, from the Babylonians to the Egyptians, grappled with its mysteries. They saw its importance in architecture, astronomy, and even art. Each generation built upon the knowledge of the last, pushing the boundaries of what was known.
This pursuit of understanding pi reflects humanity's innate desire to explore, to innovate, and to make sense of the world around us.
You might be thinking, that's all well and good, but what does pi have to do with me? The answer is, more than you might realize. Pi is everywhere, even if we don't always see it.
It's in the GPS that guides your car, the algorithms that power your social media feed, and even the design of the coffee cup in your hand.
From the mundane to the extraordinary, pi underpins countless aspects of our modern world.
Oh, the most important thing to remember is that 314.159 GCV isn't just about memorizing a number.
Exactly, it's really about embracing the spirit of pi.
Yeah, it's like realizing there's always more to learn, more to discover, and well, more to create, you know?
Absolutely. It's about approaching challenges with curiosity and a willingness to push beyond what we think are our limitations.
So, what does it mean to be a pioneer in the world of 314.159 GCV? Is it about being the first to step into uncharted territories, or is it about redefining the boundaries of what we know? Perhaps it's a combination of both, a delicate balance of courage and curiosity, of vision and action.
It means being a lifelong learner, always seeking new knowledge and perspectives. In a world that evolves at lightning speed, staying still is not an option. Lifelong learning is not just a choice, it's a necessity. It's about embracing the unknown, diving into subjects that challenge your understanding, and finding joy in the process of discovery. Whether it's through formal education, self-study, or learning from others, the pursuit of knowledge keeps the spirit of a trailblazer alive.
It means embracing creativity and innovation, not being afraid to challenge the status quo. True pioneers are those who dare to think differently, who see opportunities where others see obstacles. They are the ones who turn ideas into reality, who transform challenges into stepping stones. Creativity is not just about art. It's about problem solving, about finding new ways to approach old problems. Innovation is the heartbeat of progress, and trailblazers are its lifeblood.
It means understanding that the pursuit of knowledge is a journey, not a destination. Every step forward reveals new horizons, new questions, and new possibilities. The journey itself is what shapes us, what teaches us resilience, patience, and humility. It's about appreciating the process, about finding meaning in the small victories and the lessons learned along the way. The path of a trailblazer is rarely straight, but it is always rewarding.
And most importantly, it means recognizing that the only limit to what you can achieve is the limit you set for yourself. The world is full of possibilities, and the only barriers are the ones we create in our minds. Trailblazers understand that failure is not the end, but a stepping stone to success. They set ambitious goals, push their boundaries, and inspire others to do the same. To be a trailblazer is to believe in the power of potential, to see the extraordinary in the ordinary, and to never stop reaching for the stars.
In today's rapidly changing world, the ability to adapt, innovate, and think critically is more valuable than ever before.
We are facing unprecedented challenges and opportunities, and those who embrace the spirit of 314.159 GCV will be the ones who shape the future.
Understanding Pi is not about becoming a mathematician. It's about developing a mindset that embraces curiosity, perseverance, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge.
Think of the pioneers who came before us, those who dared to dream bigger and reach further.
They didn't achieve greatness by playing it safe or sticking to the familiar.
They embraced the unknown, challenged conventions, and pushed the boundaries of what was possible.
That's the legacy of Pi, and it's a legacy we can all tap into.
The world needs more pioneers, more individuals who are willing to embrace the unknown and explore uncharted territories.
So, the next time you see 314.159 GCV, remember that it's more than just a number.
It's a call to action, a reminder that the world is full of possibilities waiting to be discovered.
Embrace the challenge, unleash your potential, and become a pioneer in your own right.